In this video, I'm going to show you how to download InShot in laptop. Now, in order for us to get this done, I have here Google, and I'm just going to go ahead and look for a BlueStacks here. So this is the one that we're going to be using. Go ahead and open it, and there is the option to download this one right here. So I want you to go ahead and click the download button right here, and you're just going to go through the basic installation process just like how you would on any other application. But basically, after installing it, you should be able to see this one right here, BlueStacks. Yeah, not the services, but the BlueStacks X. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and click that over there, and then we're just going to wait for this one to open. All right, once you're here, you can go ahead here at the top and just look for InShot. Click it, and then click install from Google Play, and then something is going to pop up, which is this one right here. Go ahead and make this full screen, and we're gonna do things here. All right, so now that we are redirected here, just go ahead and click the install button right here. By the way, make sure that you are signed in. If this is your first time downloading an application here, they're going to prompt you to sign in to your Google account, just like how you would in a phone. So basically, this is an Android emulator. It tries to emulate how an Android phone is like. So it's like putting an Android phone in your PC. And there you go. So we've downloaded it. I'm going to go ahead and click the open button right here in order for us to get this started. All right. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned from this video.